Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use this tire sealant made by Slime. This is the green looking like thing to seal inside of a tire like this. I have a flat tire here for a trailer, and so this one is better than those the one in a can that is with the air, because you can control the air separately, and it's also stronger and cheaper because you buy it as a large quantity like this. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to remove the valve out of the tire so that we can pump the solution in. So I'm using the tire valve remover right here, and just turn it counterclockwise to remove. Okay, once you remove it, put it aside, and then make sure you shake this first. Put one side towards the slime and the other side here, and we would want to probably give it about, for a tire like this, according to this, probably about 20 pumps of content is what we want to put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, just gonna give it 2 more pumps for good measure. All right. All right, so next we are going to put back the tire valve. Just screw it clockwise. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring the compressor and we'll start pumping it up. Okay, so we're just going to pump it up. drive it around so that the slime can circulate and smear all over the inside of the tire. Can you actually drive it out? Okay, we just finished driving around for a few minutes, and I'm just gonna check the tire pressure again. "32. Put it to 333. 33.33. Should be good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this useful. If you like this video and would like to buy the Slime Tire Sealant, please use the link in my description and also the first comment that I pin for a link to Amazon. It helps support my channel. If you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and put your comments if you like or don't like this video in the comment section below. And as usual, thank you for watching DIY Geek, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.